Alright guys, so here we have been asked to simplify root of t plus 3 out of root of t is equal to 2. So what do we need to do here? Let's see in our solution. So the first thing we need to do is to cross multiply, but before that you first need to write your equation. 2 plus 3 out of t root of t is equal to 2. What do we need to do here? We need to cross multiply. Here is the same as 2 out of 1. Then here you cross multiply, this you cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you'll have 2 root of t is equal to, when you cross multiply, this will have root t plus 3. Then what do we need to do here? We need to collect like terms. So here we have root of 2 and root of 2 that side. So we need to bring it here. When you bring it here, we'll have 2 root t minus root t is equal to 3. But then here, this is surds, and we know very well that in surds, when we have root and root, we look at the coefficients. Here, the coefficients of root, the first root is 2, then the second one is 1, because here means there's a silent one. So here we'll have, and also you have to look at the sign, but our sign here is a subtraction sign. So we subtract 2 minus, there's a silent one here, root of t is equal to 3. So here 2 minus 1 is the same as 1. So here we'll have root of t is equal to 3. So then what do we need to do? We need to remove this side, this root. What do? We introduce square such that root goes away. So when we introduce square, here we'll have root of t squared, then here 9 squared. Then t, this 2 root and square will cancel, so we'll be left with the t is equal to, then when you 3 squared is the same as 3 times 3, and it will be 9. So our t here is 9, as simple as this. But then in maths, it's always good to prove yourself that what you have written is, or what you have solved is correct. So how do we do it? Here we have root of t plus 3, root of 3 t is equal to 2. So what do we need to do? We need to substitute the value of t in this formula. And in your final answer, you also have to, what is in the right hand side should be the equal to the one in the left hand side. So let's prove our answer if we are right. So here we have root t plus 3 out of root t is equal to 2. The answer you'll get here should be the same as that one. It means our answer is right. But when we don't get this same 2 here, it means our answer here is wrong. So we substitute for t, we substitute for to 9 where there is t. So here we'll have root of 9 plus 3 out of root of 9 is equal to